Will AI replace credit scores? The future of financial trust. What if your credit score wasn't based on your payment history, but on how your brain works? What if artificial intelligence could analyze your behavior, spending patterns, and even your digital footprint to decide whether you're trustworthy with money? Sounds futuristic, right? It's not. It's already happening. And it's about to change everything you know about money, trust, and who gets to decide your financial worth. Welcome back to the channel where we explore how technology, finance, and innovation are rewriting the rules of our world. If you're new here, hit that like button and subscribe, because today we're diving into one of the most controversial shifts in modern finance. Can AI replace credit scores? And if it can, should it? Number one, the problem with traditional credit scores. For decades, a three-digit number has controlled our financial lives. It decides if we can buy a car, rent an apartment, or even get a job. But here's the problem. This system was built for the past, not the future. It's based on limited data, your payment history, your debts, and how long you've had credit. One mistake, one missed payment, and you're labeled high risk. Even if you've turned your finances around, your score doesn't forgive or forget. Millions of people, especially freelancers, immigrants, and Gen Z, are locked out of opportunities not because they're irresponsible, but because they don't fit the old model. And that's where AI steps in, promising a financial system that's more fair, inclusive, and alive. Number two, what is AI credit scoring? So, what exactly is AI credit scoring? Instead of relying on a few data points, AI models analyze thousands, even millions of behavioral and financial signals. Here's what that includes: how consistently you pay your bills, how often you shop online, the timing of your transactions, your spending habits on essentials versus luxuries, even your smartphone usage or digital footprint. By looking at patterns humans might miss, I can build a financial trust profile that's far more dynamic than a three-digit number. Companies like Zest AI, Upstart, and Tala are already pioneering this shift. They use machine learning to analyze alternative data, things like rent payments, utility bills, education background, and even mobile activity to assess creditworthiness. In emerging markets like Africa and Southeast Asia, these systems are already helping millions of people get access to loans for the first time ever. They don't ask, "Did you have a credit card?" They ask, "How do you live?" And that's a radically different definition of trust. Number three, how AI makes better financial predictions. AI's real power lies in pattern recognition. Traditional systems see one missed payment and label you risky. AI looks deeper. Maybe you had an emergency, but otherwise you're a consistent saver. It tracks your habits over time with the small, stable signals humans ignore. Platforms like Upstart claim their algorithms can approve 27% more borrowers while keeping default rates the same. More approvals, less bias, faster decisions. In short, AI doesn't just make lending quicker, it makes it smarter. Number four, the technology behind it. AI credit systems rely on three main technologies: machine learning algorithms. They analyze vast data sets to find correlations between financial behaviors and repayment success. Natural language processing, NLP. In some cases, AI tools can even assess how people fill out loan forms, detecting patterns in tone, word choice, or confidence that might predict risk. Predictive Analytics. These models are continuously updated as new data comes in, meaning your financial profile evolves in real time, not every few months. Imagine a future where your creditworthiness improves instantly when you manage your budget better, or pay off a debt without waiting for the next credit report update. That's the kind of dynamic system AI is building. Number five, global examples, AI credit in action. Let's look at where this is already happening. China's Ant Group, Sesame Credit, uses data from online purchases, payments, and even social behavior to generate a trust score. Tala, Kenya, and India uses smartphone data like call history and mobile payments to give instant microloans to people with no formal credit history. Experian Boost, USA, allows users to connect their utility and rent payments to improve credit scores, an early form of AI-enhanced scoring. Zest AI, Global, works with banks to help them use alternative data and machine learning for fairer lending decisions. Each of these platforms has one mission in common: to make finance more inclusive. Number six, the benefits. Why AI could replace credit scores. AI credit scoring offers clear advantages over the traditional system. Inclusivity. People with no credit history can finally participate in the financial system. Real-time evaluation. Your AI trust score updates automatically as your habits change. Accuracy. It can detect red flags or potential risks far earlier than humans. Personalization. AI can tailor loan offers or financial advice to your unique unique situation. In essence, AI has the potential to transform financial trust from a static number into a living, evolving digital identity. Number 7, the risks and controversies. But this is but the rise of AI in finance also raises serious concerns. Privacy. AI systems collect vast amounts of data, including personal behaviors. Who controls that data, and how safe is it? Bias. While AI is designed to reduce human bias, it can sometimes learn bias from historical data, repeating the same injustices it's meant to fix. Transparency. Unlike credit bureaus, AI models can be black boxes. If you're denied a loan, can you understand why the algorithm made that decision? These questions highlight a critical truth. AI can improve financial trust, but it must also be ethical, explainable, and fair. Number 8, the future, AI and financial trust. So, will AI completely replace credit scores? Probably not overnight, but it will redefine them. We're moving toward a hybrid system where your financial trust is measured by a blend of traditional metrics and AI-driven insights. Imagine having a financial health profile, one that updates daily, reflects your real-life behavior, and rewards responsible choices instantly. That's the future of credit, a future where trust isn't judged by your past mistakes, but by your present habits and future potential. So the question isn't if AI will manage trust, it's who will control it. Would you trust an algorithm with your financial future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video insightful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the future of money, technology, and trust. Until next time, stay informed, stay curious, and stay financially empowered.